CLAAS LEXION is excelling our expectations in the rice with the throughput and the ability to handle the tough green conditions. This year we have a lot of lodging of our rice crop, and the CLAAS doesn't seem to worry too much about that. The automation system, the cruise pilot, it's a key feature of the machine, allowing me to set up the machine to allow other operators to run the machine at full capacity while the machine's constantly looking after itself. With the wider track is floating across our paddocks, leaving minimum damage considering how wet the ground is. Our overall satisfaction with the machine is more than we expected out of the machine. We've got fuel savings and higher productivity per hour.